Hey, what's up, guys? So we're out here at Huntsville Dragway today, and I'm doing horrible because I've already made like four passes now. But I didn't want to leave out an intro because I owe that to you guys. So we're out here at Huntsville Dragway for Radio Fest. And quick little backstory on the reason why I'm running the class I'm running, and I'll tell you guys here in a second. So about 3 years ago, I ran King of the Streets class out here, and I had some buddies that ran in this class called Mean Street. And what Mean Street is it is an index class, but it is the index is drawn from a cup or a hat or whatever, and the index can range from, I believe, 515 to 530, somewhere in there, in that range, and someone draws from the cup, and that is the index for the class. So it's a very fast index class, obviously. So I feel like the car, you know, I built the car to run within those times on the index. So and obviously that was my goal, watching my buddies run in that class back then. So I wanted to do it with a 2-valve, and today is my chance. So I have a tech card in Mean Street. I actually got to draw the index, and it is 515, and I haven't been 515 yet, so we'll see. So we're gonna see how that goes, but I'm excited to be out here. The car is doing good, so you guys check out these first couple of videos of passes that we made. I'm not gonna spoil how fast the car went, but it's doing really good. And here, the next pass is gonna be the first qualifying pass for Mean Street. I'm gonna turn the car up a little bit more and hopefully run close to the index. So we'll see. I'll pick up with you guys when we get up there in the lanes.
You ready?
What's up? Yeah, we're ready to do this thing.
All right.
Ready as we're gonna be, I guess.
Yeah. You want to say something? .544. 129.
That was a 544 at 129. That was and I went at 06 reaction on the 400 Pro Tree, so that's not bad. Yeah, 125 60 foot, 544 at 129, and that was leaving on 9 pounds. Y'all are not gonna believe this. That was 22 pounds of boost. Holy shit, she's bad, y'all. She's woo. Alright, we're gonna look at the data log and turn the boost up a little higher. See you guys then.
535. Nice.
That was a good pass right there. She was moving. That was a personal best, I know it. That was either a low 540 or a high 530 at 130 or faster. Woo. All right, guys, so That was a 535 at 131 on 25 pounds. Not too bad, not too bad. That is a new personal best ET and mile per hour, so that's freaking awesome. That is awesome. So get out, look at the data log, get the car cooled off and make sure everything looks all right, and turn the boost up tonight in qualifying. That was a 531 at 133. Barry got me on the light. He went 03 to my 08, but it looks like he spun. He had 1 mile per hour on me, but the ET was obviously 3/10 off, so.
Well.
531. Ain't nowhere near 531. Hey, what's up guys? So it's Saturday morning. We just got done with our sleep in the trailer over here. Wasn't too bad. That's the first time we've boondocked out here at the track. Got up real early and got a shower, feeling pretty good this morning. And eat some breakfast. I missed the second round of qualifying last night in Main Street. I think I put too much fuel in my tank fuel tank to be honest. Because the car was running fine. I went to crank it up to go to round 2 of qualifying, and it was running pig rich. I couldn't figure out why. Thought maybe I had a stuck injector or something. Didn't have enough time to figure it out, so just parked the car. Figured I'd get up this morning, drain a little fuel out of it. We did that, and it crunk up, and it seems to run fine. So gonna go up there for the first round. Round 3 of qualifying. We get 4 rounds and they start elimination, so I don't want to be the last qualifier. Right now I'm qualified with a 533 and the index is 515, so I'm a little bit off the pace, a little bit off the pack, but I think once I get the boost turned up a little bit today, I think the car is going to go faster, maybe a 520. I don't know if 5.1s are gonna happen. That's just, I might have to land on the car a lot, probably max that 3.5 bar map since they're out to run that fast with this small engine and the weight of the car. So pretty cool though. The math showed that the engine's making about 1,200 horsepower with the 133, 134 mile per hour trap from yesterday. So gonna check over the car, get it cleaned up, and get up there for round 3 of qualifying. I'll see you guys up there.
You don't know what he's made yet.
Huh? Woo! 528. Nice. Huh?
Look at the mile per hour.
134. Hey, it had a dead cylinder. Hold on, buddy.
Guys, you saw that guy? Dad.
That wasn't bad. That wasn't bad.
That guy?
I told you.
That guy?
Hey, I treated him too.
Oh, that's what I told him. It's like you were out.
He broke out.
He did, big time.
Ow.
Yep.
Why?
That was 28 pounds.
That's it.
They had a dead cylinder.
Yeah.
It ran good just then. That's good. What was that? 528 at 134 with a 125 60 foot. Yeah. All right, hey guys, time for a quick update. So we are about to go into round 1 eliminations of Mean Street. I was able to qualify number 11 out of 21 with my 528 at 134 pass. So that's pretty good. I get to race the, I think I'm grouped up with the number 21 guy, but the thing is the number 21 guy is actually faster than 515. That's the reason why he's down there. So it's going to be interesting. I'm going to turn the car up. It went that 520 on 28 pounds. Going to turn it up to probably, I don't know, 30, 31 pounds on this pass. Keep the 60 foot the same, and hopefully make it through to round 1 elimination. So gonna check the car over. I did have my stock coils went bad, or I had a couple of bad coils this morning that cost me a round of qualifying. So I went back to these junky MSD coils, which are working pretty good so far, so I can't really knock them. Also, that 528 pass, the math on that comes out to about 1,200 horsepower. So you guys know the watt block is it's holding up. It's doing good. So I'm gonna get this thing looked over and get it up in the lanes, and hopefully make it through round 1. So we'll see you guys up there. Hey guys, what's up? So it is it's early Sunday morning. We stayed the night at the track last night after we went out second round in the Mean Street class. I went red on the 400 Pro Tree. I've never went red before, so that was a first for me. I tied the front end of the car down really tight, and the car reacted a lot faster, and as you guys saw in the video, I kind of bumped in a little too far, so that was a lesson learned. It seems like going out second round is starting to be the norm for me, but we had a great time. The car did amazing. It exceeded my expectations. It was flying. It was out here playing with some fast cars, and it was you know, it was right there in the pack. So extremely happy with it. But as you guys can see, the track's all cleared out. There's only a few people like us that decided to stay here last night. I just didn't want to get on the road too late. So had a great time. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. We're going to be doing some more racing here soon. You know, now that we got the car running, we're going to race it as much as we can. So that's going to be it for this video, guys. I hope y'all enjoyed it. Like always, comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.